Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to claim the deduction for self-employed retirement plan contributions on Turbotax. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic, so let's just jump straight into it. The first step is going to be to determine your eligibility. So you got to go ahead and determine if you're eligible for the deduction for self-employed retirement plan contributions. And if you are, then go ahead and collect your self-employed retirement plan contributions documents. Of course, that's going to include your form 8606. Next, just sign into your Turbotax account, and then you're going to select the tax year that you want to claim the deductions for. So go on Turbotax website and sign in with your email address and password, and then select the tax year that you want to claim the deduction for. Next, just choose deductions, and then you're going to select self-employed retirement plan contributions as your deduction type. Next step is going to be to enter your deduction information, including your self-employed retirement plan contributions amount. Once that's done, go ahead and claim the deduction based on your eligibility and deduction information. Final step is going to be to review your deduction claim just to make sure that everything is accurate. And if it is, go ahead and submit it to the IRS, and they're going to take care of the rest. That's pretty much it on how to claim the deduction for self-employed retirement plan contributions on Turbotax. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.